Welcome to Twinkle's How to Draw series. As we're now into autumn time, let's draw something I bet you've seen a lot of recently. Some leaves. As leaves come in all shapes and sizes, we'll be looking at a few different types you might see falling off the trees around you. We'll start by using a pencil to sketch out the first layer before creating the final lines with a pen. So once you're ready to draw along, let's get going! Let's start by marking out the shapes of each leaf. For the first one, draw a long, curved line vertically, before bringing it back down with another curved line to meet the starting point. The second leaf's outline is going to look like a raindrop, pointed at the top with a big curve for the bottom. For the third leaf, all you need to do is draw a big circle. And for the fourth and final leaf, sketch 3 ovals, with the bottoms overlapping, all pointing in different directions. Now you can see you have the outlines of 4 different leaves. Do you recognise any of their shapes? Draw a long line from just below your shapes, all the way to the very top. This is called the petiole, and it's how the leaf attaches itself to the stem of the plant. If you're enjoying our How to Draw video, why don't you hit the subscribe button so you're the first to see when we upload all of our new videos. Now you have your basic sketching done, it's time to pick up your pen and add some more detail. Start by tracing over the long line, before adding smaller strokes diagonally off both sides for some leafy veins. The inner parts of leaves are often very similar. However, the outline is how we can tell them apart. For this leaf, use the pencil line as a guide. However, with your pen, create little waves every few centimetres to give it a jagged edge. The next leaf is far more simple, as you can trace along the pencil layer for a smooth line all the way to the tip, before bringing it back down to the bottom. For this leaf, use lots of curved lines to create a circular shape, still following the direction of your sketch. The fourth and final leaf is going to be a spiky one. Perhaps it's a maple leaf. The outline of this one is similar to the first leaf we drew. Using curved lines, create 3 big points that your curves lead up to, guided by the pencil lines you drew earlier. As this leaf has different segments, don't forget to add in more veins in each section. And there you have your finished leaves. The only thing you have left to do is colour them in. I've chosen the autumnal colours green, red, yellow and orange. Wow! They look so great now they have colour. We hope you enjoyed your time here today at Twinkle Kids TV. Thanks for joining us. Don't forget to subscribe and we'll see you next time.